A plant in your garden avoids photorespiratory losses, has improved water use efficiency, shows high rates of photosynthesis at high temperatures, and has improved efficiency of nitrogen utilization. In which of the following physiological groups would you assign this plant? Option A, C3 plants. C3 plants use the Calvin cycle, that is a C3 pathway, for carbon fixation, where the enzyme ribosco fixes carbon dioxide into a 3-carbon compound, and that is why it is named as C3. So this is the most common form of photosynthesis in plants. C3 plants are more prone to photorespiration, and photorespiration is a wasteful process where rubisco fixes oxygen instead of carbon dioxide, especially under the conditions of high temperature and low carbon dioxide concentration. So this will lead to a decrease in photosynthetic efficiency because energy is lost in the process of breaking down the 2-carbon compound created during photorespiration. So that means option A is an incorrect answer because the plant is avoiding photorespiratory losses and they are having a higher rate of photosynthesis. So option A is incorrect. Option B, C4 plants. So C4 plants have evolved a unique photosynthetic pathway that minimizes photorespiration, and this improves the water use efficiency as well. And they are particularly well adapted to high temperatures and drought conditions. So the C4 plants use a specialized mechanism where the carbon dioxide fixation occurs in 2 types of cells, that is mesophyll cells and the bundle sheath cells. And this process effectively concentrates the carbon dioxide around the enzyme ribosco, reducing photorespiration. So the answer is option B, C4 plants. Option C, CAM plants, that is crassulacean acid metabolism plants. They are adapted to very dry environments. They fix carbon dioxide at night to reduce the water loss during the day, but they do not typically exhibit the high photosynthetic rates at high temperature. So that means option C is an incorrect answer. Option D, nitrogen fixer. Though nitrogen fixing plants have the ability to fix nitrogen from the atmosphere, this characteristic is not related to the plant's photosynthetic efficiency or the ability to minimize photorespiration and water loss. So option D is incorrect. The answer is option B, C4 plants.